Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to refer easily on Photon smart contract. Endeavor to watch this video to the very end guys, so that you grab everything needed to refer easily on Photon smart contract. Photon smart contract is a smart contract that was recently launched and it has gotten over to 70,000 registered members. So guys, how do you earn with Photon smart contract? You earn through spillovers. This when there's massive registration and the system distribute funds to members. You also earn through overflows. This when you have a hardworking upliner. An upliner is someone who referred you, like me. To my team, they earn through me because I refer a lot. I know how to refer, so they earn overflows through me. And the final method is called the referral method. This method is the best. I'll tell you the truth, it's the best to earn thousands of thrones. It's the best. Don't let them deceive you that spillover is also good. I'll tell you the fact, overflow is good, but referral is the best. So in YouTube videos, blog posts, comment sections, YouTube video comment sections, I've been seeing thousands of people saying that they can't refer, that it's very difficult and all sorts, and also people DMing me. I just laughed. So guys, let me tell you this, referral just requires time, patience, and consistency, and a little bit of hard work. So let's get started on how to refer on Photon. Also guys, if you want to be any massive overflows and spillovers, and also want to learn more is extra hidden features on how to refer on Photon, my referral link is on the description below, and also my number is on the description below. So that's when you get registered through me, I will add you to my VIP group so that you can be earning through referrals easily. I'll teach you all methods involved in this. Okay, so guys, let's go to the first method. The first method of referring with Photon smart contracts, the best so far, is through Facebook ads. So how do this method go? You create an ad on Facebook, then when you have created your group, you send traffic from the ad to your Facebook group. To run ads on Facebook is 3,000 naira. Then you do presentation on your WhatsApp group or Facebook group. But guys, people that are in my VIP group that registered through me, I do run the ads for them. The presentation on the group, I run it for them. I tell them everything they need. I give it to them for free, those people that registered through me. So guys, just run the ads. If you want to register through me, I'll give you the ad, what you paste that will get more people to join your group through your Facebook ad, and also I will help you do the presentation guys. So another method is by through Telegram bots. You can use Telegram bots to run ads also and send the traffic to your Facebook group. I can also give you a body of the Facebook ad that you used to run. The third method guys is through by posting testimonies of people that have earned big with Photons, people that are talking about how Photon helped them. So when you post it on your status, people will be interested. They'll ask you, how can I join this? Then you will tell them stuff. So if you are in my team, I do tell them what they'll tell people that want to register. I will send you a voice note, everything that you need to tell the person. I do send them testimonials to post on their WhatsApp status, and also on their WhatsApp groups. I do attract people to register on Photon smart contract. Okay, so guys, the final method I will tell you guys is by DMing people and telling them about the smart contract. If you join my team, I'll tell you a convincing way to make people become delighted and join to your referral link, guys. So guys, in a few minutes, let me just show you a testimony of one of my referral. She just registered to me yesterday, but only today she have gotten 4 referrals. So let me show you guys. So look, as you can see, this what I sent her just today in the morning, that yesterday evening, I'm sorry, in the evening, that this is what she should post on her Facebook groups to get traffic. This is a free method to get traffic to your group. So she said she got 4 referrals already. It's not been up to 2 days. Okay, so you can use Facebook. If you don't have money to run ads, you can use Facebook group. I'll tell you what to post on groups so people will comment, and I'll tell you what to reply them so that they will join your WhatsApp group, and I will give you the presentation, everything you need. So guys, that's all. It's not difficult. That's what all these top people do. So guys, thank you. If you want to register through me and get everything you need to succeed with Photon Smart contract, my number is on the description below. My referral link is below on the description. And also, if you want to fund your wallet, DM me to fund your wallet with funds. Okay guys, at cheap prices. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you a good day ahead. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be releasing amazing videos like this. Thank you.